Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram search history. So let's get started. First open Instagram app on your mobile. Then go to profile page by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now tap on hamburger menu icon which is horizontal 3 lines at the top right side. From here, tap on your activity option. On the activity page, you will find the likes that you made, comments and so on. Now scroll down and under how you use Instagram section, you will find an option recent searches. Just tap on it. On the next screen, you will find all the searches that you had made. You can individually delete the entries by tapping on cross icon next to each entry. If you wish to delete all at a time, then tap on clear all at the top right side. You will get confirmation box asking to clear search history. Just tap on clear all and your Instagram search history will be deleted. The other way is go to Instagram homepage, tap on search icon at the bottom, and once you tap in search bar, you will find all the history. Here as well you can delete individual history or delete all by tapping on see all and then tap on clear all option. So that is how you can delete Instagram search history. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.